Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This video make for a review video. In few days ago, I make this a video about investment side. Now I review it. So if you want to know this, please stay with me and keep watching my video. First of all, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Crypto and Travel. It has a two-part, one part crypto video uploaded in this, and other part travel video uploaded in this. If you get any information, please press the bell icon, and you will get all notification from every day. So now I go to my main topic. This is the mining site. This site is jump study, but it's called small name JOT. Okay, so it's like as Fluxon investment mining site. There is a trusted investment mining sense. Now it's going already 2x. So if you want to investment in this site, you can safely investment in this site. So I how to investment site and also registration process in previously I was make this video. So if you look at this video, this come to my video description bar. I also link at this. Okay, now I want to show you recharge and also withdraw request. Okay, so first of you come to this recharge option. So click this. Okay, if you want to recharge amount, please select this option and now recharge it. Okay, so you get this recharge option. Now you go to your wallet and now paste it. Okay, here is you get this 50 USD dollar, and also you get address. So you copy now and the paste it. Okay, when you paste it, it will be automatically uh, uh, go to back to your home. Okay, you get 1 hour for deposit time. Okay, so I'm now deposited because of I use I deposited. Okay, when you deposit this amount, you go to this your quantity option, and now select this next level. Is next level. Okay, and when you get deposit this, here is you show your amount, and now click this option. It must be unlock it. Okay, when you confirm it, it will be unlock it. Okay, so when unlock it, you get 4 point qualification. Okay, and also you get a profit ratio 0.51 to 53. Okay, and another request, when you everyday signing gift. So now my this is solo now. Wait for, click this front option, activity option, come to this, and signing gift. When every day you click this, you get a 0.20 USDT bonus. Okay, so when here is a some checking option. When continue this checking 7 days, you get this 2. Continue 15 days, you get 3 USDT, and you continue 30 days, you get 5 USDT, and you 90 days will stay here, you get 50 USD reward. Okay, so please every day sign it. Okay, so don't miss out, and please join now and deposit, because of this site is new, so it's safely investment, and you get earning every day for safety. Okay, it's withdraw limit. I'll show you. First off, you come to this option. First of time you select this your wallet address, and now paste available. Here's a show here 10 USDT minimum. Okay, so I click this 10 USDT. Okay, so here is a receiver account show here. So how many cut off handling fee show here. So submit now, and type your password. Okay, I also password, paste this my password. When you put your password, then it will be automatically go to process. Okay, so inshallah I will make video for when I receive this amount. It will be make this payment 3 days. That means 72 hours after you get this your this receipt. So it's very useful site, so don't miss out to join this site. Here is a agent corporation even here, no team leader promotion. I hope you will invite any member, so many of the people will be joining this site, so don't miss out, and firstly joining this site. So I hope you will joining now, and earning every day from this site. Okay, so how to the registration process is a very simple process. This video already I make it for you. You easily show it, and you will easily easy registration this site. Okay, don't miss out, and request to you, please join this site. Okay, have you any question about this site? You please type my video comment box. Okay, so always you get all information I will share. Okay, so here is a signing all working posts I already showed you. When you signing this site, you get 200 USD bonus from the company. Okay, so and you use this and easily mining from this site. You get when you free version 3 quantified, and upgrade version you get 4 quantity, and also easily withdraw from this site. Okay, so don't miss out, join this site and easily earning from this site. Okay, I hope you will easily deposit and easily earning from this site. As available here here for joining link, so don't miss out. Okay, no more today. Please stay with me and keep watching my video, and have you any question, please type my video comment box. Okay, I also try to feedback you. Prefer me, and every time remember to Allah. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.